Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic solve by forming equation. Let's start. First question, we are starting from 12. Here is x plus 4 equals to 13, right? Now we already know about this one because we have to find out the value of x. In this case we have to subtract 4 both sides. X plus 4 minus 4 equals to 13 minus 4. Okay, now plus 4 and minus 4 out, so x equals to 13 minus 4 is a 9. Okay, now number we can write in here another question answer like 13. Okay, here is x plus 5 equals to 9, so we subtract 5 from both sides, so x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 9 minus 5, so x plus 5 and minus 5 out, so answer is 4. Okay, then number 14, y plus 1 equals to 10, so y plus 1 minus 1 equals to 10 minus 1, so we can write y equals to 10 minus 1 is a 9, and here plus 1 and minus 1 out. Number 15, y minus 5 equals to 11, so y minus 5 plus 5 equals to 11 plus 5, right? Y minus 5 plus 5 out, so 11 plus 5 is a 16. Okay, then number 16, what is the question? Z plus 3 equals to 15. Okay, then z plus 3, and we'll make or subtract minus 3, we will subtract 3 and 15 minus 3, so plus 3 minus 3 out, here is z equals to 12. Okay, then number 17, 3x equals to 12. Does our question okay? 3x minus 12. So now we can divide both sides by 3, so 3x by 3 equals to 12 by 3, so this 3 and this 3 out, x equals to 12 by 3 is a 4. Our answer is 4. Number 18, 2x plus 1 equals to 9, so first 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 9 minus 1, then 2x plus 1 minus 1 out, and here is 9 minus 1 is a 8. Therefore once we divide both sides by 2, x equals to 8 by 2, it means 4, and this is our answer. Number 19, so here 18 done, and here is 4x minus 5 equals to 11, so 4x minus 5 plus 5 equals to 11 plus 5, right? Then 4x minus 5 plus 5 out, so our answer is, here is 11 plus 5 is a 16, so once we divide both sides by 4, so x equals to 16 by 4, it means what? 4. This is our answer. 20, what is the question? Here is 3x minus 5 equals to 17, then 3x equals to 17 plus 5, then 3x equals to 17 plus 5 is a 22. Okay, is it okay? Then for our next step is we will divide both sides by 3, so 3x by 3, and here is 22 by 3, so this 3 and 3 out, here is x equals to 22 by 3. This is a improper fraction. If anybody one can be write 7 1 by 3, because 3 times 7 is a 21 plus 1 is a 22. This is become a mixed fraction. Number 21. 7x minus 2 equals to x plus 16. 7x minus 2 equals to x plus 16. So variable we will make one side and constant will be another side. So we can write 7x minus 2 plus 2, and this x will be in left side, so minus x. Similar, x plus 16, then minus x, and here is plus 2. Okay, so both side we are adding what? Plus 2 and subtract minus x. So minus 2 plus 2 out, so 7x minus x is a 6x, then x and minus x out, 16 plus 2 is a 18. So we can say x equals to what? 18 by 6 it means, or we can divide both side by 6, so 18 by 6 is a what? 3, and this is our answer. Number 22. 3 minus x equals to 14. So this is very interesting math. How? Look, here is minus x and here is 3, so 3 minus x, we have to out this 3, so we can write minus 3, and here is 14 minus 3. So this 3 and minus 3 out, here is minus x equals to, this 14 minus 3 is a 11, but we need the value of x. So in this case we can multiply both side by minus 1, so it means minus x times minus 1. Okay, similar, here is 11 times minus 1. Now we already know minus times minus equals to plus, so minus and minus it will become plus, it means x, and plus times minus equals to minus, so 11 is a plus and 1 is a minus, therefore plus and minus is a minus, we can write minus 11. Okay, so 22 done. And today's final question 23, which is 20x plus 9 equals to 3. Then 20x plus 9, we have to out this 9, so 9 minus 9, and here is 3 minus 9. So plus 9 and minus 9 out, 2x, and we know what? See, 9, here is 3 minus 9. Look, 9 minus 3 is a 6, but here minus sign is a larger, therefore we can write minus 6. We can divide both side by 2, so 2x divide 2 equals to minus 6 divide 2, so 2 and 2 out, and here is x, 6 divide 2 is a 3, so minus 3 is our answer. So by this video we are solving forming equation, lots of forming equation, and it's important things because we have to know about our basic. So for basic practice we are try to solve these kinds of simple equation. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and if you have any question please write a line in the comments box. Thank you.